Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
And the first raffle of the new year.
Yeah.
Check this out, guys.
Look at this.
We have got an automotive-based kit of impact tools. This is what you need. Saviour, strength, all those pry bars and everything. Use an impact. Got a 3/8 inch, half inch, and a 3/8 impact ratchet. Oh my god!
They're so good. These are the ones. These are better than the ones I use in the tool.
That's
in the
why he
workshop.
wants to keep
They're so
it.
good.
But you can't keep it.
No, I can't
it's the
keep
prize.
it. It's so tempting.
Should we have a look what's in the box?
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's have a look. It's a lovely modular pack-out case.
It is rather heavy duty.
Yeah. Whoa! Look at that. That is a cool selection of tools and batteries and chargers, is it not?
Yeah, you got the big boy here. The impact set. That's
half
awesome.
inch impact.
Right. I'm so jealous about that.
I know, that's massive. It's so chunky. We've got the 3/8 impactor when you don't need the full grunt of this one.
Just for whizzing.
Just for whizzing
stuff off and on.
Look at that.
Look at the torque it's got.
It's got so much torque. Do you see that? Hold on.
Go onto lock.
Whoa.
Wow.
There we go. You also get my personal favourite, the 3/8 electric ratchet. Look at that.
That's a chunky boy.
That is a chunky one. And of course they've all come with batteries.
And a charger.
And a charger.
And a spare battery for the big one.
And a spare battery for the big one. You couldn't ask for any more for your automotive needs. What a prize that is.
I want to enter.
No, you're not allowed to enter, I'm afraid. So if you want to enter, go and check out the link in the description or scan this QR code and it'll take you straight to the site. It is going to be amazing. Once all the tickets are sold, there's only 1,000 tickets.
It's only £1 a ticket.
It's only £1 a ticket. We are going to be drawing the raffle.
Yes.
Right. See you later, guys. Thank you very much.
Ciao.
Ciao.